What's up guys, Ilia Belov here. Today we're going to be talking about how I made $10,000 in one day on eBay. This is going to be a video specifically about fad products, seasonal products, and sometimes these fad or seasonal products are a lot of the time counterfeit products. Some of these products are toys, some of these products are smoke devices. As you guys know, I always talk about the Snoop Dogg G-Pens that I got. They were unauthorized from a factory. Specifically what I was told by my scout was the exact same factory that Grenco Science was making its G-Pens in. I got a very, very large shipment and I made over $10,000 in one day selling those and about $7,000 a day for about 3 weeks until I really got shut down by by eBay and got a cease and desist letter from Grenco Science. We're going to be talking about, the morality of that today. Specifically, of course, the morality of that. But we're going to be talking about how you can do it, if you should do it, what are the repercussions, what are the benefits, of course, besides money, and, how do you find these products. First things first, I want to show you guys my eBay account, a few of them. Let me refresh that, $449. Maybe it'll go up. I usually get sales pretty quick. Let's see that. Okay, so $449, 9,838 sales. And again, I can't refresh the other ones because of the fact that you can only be logged into one eBay account at once. 617,000 on this one, 13,000 sales. Let's see this one, 190, 6,769 sales. And on this one, 195, 4,000 transactions. These two last ones are newer accounts, but still good accounts nonetheless. If we add that all up, 500, 700, 1. It comes out to like 1.5, something like that, $1.5 million over like a 3-year period, something like that. And of course, I've got accounts that are shut down now that do have like 100, 200K in sales on those. So I'm not positive, but we'll figure that out at a later time. So let's start with the G-Pen, guys. And as you guys know, I've talked about this in the past. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Go hit that subscribe button. The thing about these G-Pens, guys, is that I can't even find the sales from when I sold them because I sold them a little bit further ago. But if we go ahead and run therapy, you guys can sell here. Again, pay attention to this date, May 8th to May 8th. That's 1 year, $620,000 in sales. The next product I'm going to show you guys, stick around, is a better product, and we'll talk about how you can make money with that. You guys can see here, one thing that you can always sell, even if it is a counterfeit product, is coils or little accessories for the product, and that's pretty good. I always recommend doing that. Still not big enough sales in my opinion to hit, but for some smaller sellers it may make a lot of sense. So you can sell 5 G-Pen coils. These things are about 10 cents a pop for, look at that, $19.95, $7,600 in sales in a year, $6,000, small amounts of money. But you can see this one right here was done in 1 month, and it's about $3,000 a month, $3,219 a month. These you can get from China, from Alibaba. I'll show you guys where to get those and how you can get them without a scout for about $2 to $3. So if we go ahead and run this for, let's say, the last 30 days, apply that, you can see that even though Grenco Science and Snoop Dogg G-Pens are not allowed to be sold on eBay, people still kind of push through with these counterfeit products and they still get a decent chunk of sales. So if we go ahead and check out this here, in the last 30 days, sell-through rate has been 30%, pretty low, 663 sellers, average price $21.41. And again, these aren't going to be very $57,000 on that keyword right there, Snoop Dogg. You guys can see here, Snoop Dogg Dry Pen Vape Kit. No one even says Grenco Science in the keywords. 277 sales, $3,000 a month. Now, $3,000 a month off this product, since now it isn't as hot of a seasonal product as it used to be, $3,000 a month is pretty standard for a product. It's okay. And you can do that and you don't make about 2K in net profit per month doing that. But I want to show you guys a seasonal product that everyone was raving for, and this was under toys. Now these toys were immediately counterfeited, and my scout in China automatically told me, hey, I can get these for you for about like $3 or $4. Are you interested in selling them? And I'm like, okay, why not? I have some eBay accounts I can just throw away, and who's gonna throw away a solid, 20 grand, 30 grand a month of a product that you can just sell, and it'll slowly go down. Now, surprisingly enough, these are called fingerlings. Now, fingerlings, you guys can see here, November 1st to January 31st, so the holiday season. The total sales for the holiday season, you guys can see here, all you gotta do is take a cut of that. $4.6 million on authentic and counterfeit fingerlings. Now you guys can see here real quick, a lot of these people were selling the ones as, these fake ones as authentic, selling them for $46, $40, because in stores they all sold out immediately. Everyone was collecting them like crazy. 282 items sold, 13,000 Now, some sellers like me, we're selling them fake, as you can see the price difference here. No authentic, nothing like that. Just stating what it is, kind of. 1378, 1764, based on the style. 2000, you can see 32, that's authentic. Blah blah blah. 1281. But you can see here the sales for a month, about 12 grand, 11 grand, 10 grand, and that's per fingerling, so it's not too bad. Now you guys can see just how seasonable product of that this is. You can see 30 days. Let's press that, apply that. Sales plummet down to 27,000. Now again, this is a seasonal Christmas product. It was hot for a little bit of time. Right now it's not as hot anymore. People are still selling the fakes. You guys can see here, $9.99, $19.99, 200 bucks, 200 bucks. But what I'm trying to say is that these products come and go. You need to know how to sell them. That's the whole point of this video. You do not want to order too much supply that you'll be stuck on it. The thing with the G-Pens is I sold out all of my supply in literally 2 days. I reordered immediately and got a ginormous order. That's how I sold all of them. I got very, very lucky and was only left with about like $1,000 to $2,000 in merchandise, which is pretty negligible when you make 80K. Literally, almost in profit. That's how crazy the margins were on this stuff. They were selling about for $29.95, sometimes about $32.95, and you'd get them for about $6 or $7. So that's pretty hot, and that's how you can kind of make some quick cash on eBay. But I'm just gonna show you guys how sometimes you can find these products. Number one, you're gonna wanna see the news, you wanna read Instagram, see what's selling, see what's not. Moms are always a great thing. Toys for the holiday season, always look at those and then see if you can find, I'm not trying to say counterfeits, but unauthorized. And of course, all this stuff in this video I'm saying is literally just for educational use only. I cannot recommend anyone to sell counterfeit products. It is illegal. I don't do it. With that said, let's keep on going. So if we go over to Alibaba.com, we can see here, and let's just say Snoop Dogg. Now Snoop Dogg, G-Pens, Grinco Science literally will remove you extremely quickly, extremely fast. And I'm gonna tell you guys another product here over closer to the end, which is a pretty hot product. You get them for about like 12 bucks and they sell for 300. Now that's even more screwed up and it's not an authentic product at all. But if you are, I've done this research, done this, I don't sell them, but if it's a product you wanna sell, go ahead at your own discretion. So let's go ahead and check these out. You guys have seen these are always drop shipped. Let's go, let's keep on looking. So you guys can see here real quick, just like I said, $1.78 a piece, they sell for about 11 bucks. Now 500 pieces minimum order quantity, you can order those, sell them either on your website, which is completely legal, no problems with that. You're not ripping off anyone, these are just kind of copies. They don't even say Grinco Science on them, they're Snoop Dogg's. They sell on eBay, you guys can see here, and they're sold out. 291 sold, $11.99. If we just press on sales, we can kind of see real quick what type of sales it are. Blah, 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 boom, 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 boom. See that? All May 9th, all May 8th, all May 7th. Now I was doing the same thing, except like literally times that by 10 with the amount of sales and then drop the price to $30. That's how quick these were selling. I was selling about like 100 of them, 200 of them a day usually, and then there was that one day where I made about $10,000 gross on that product really quick. That's the name of this video, and that's what we started talking about. Now we're kind of getting off topic, and we're talking about how you guys can do this too. So this is a product you guys can sell right now, $10.99, $11.99. Order it on here, $1.78, $3.26 a piece. You can even get them cheaper if you keep on looking around. And we keep on going. You can see these are $1.99 to $2.99 a piece. Keep on going. We got the cartridges for the tops, and if you just want the coils are a pretty interesting product. Literally just search Snoop Dogg coil. Again, this is Alibaba. If you don't know what this is literally just a site to connect distributors or manufacturers. So you guys can see here, type in finger monkey into the finger links. So we got finger monkey here. Keep on moving down, and you can see there's a few results. A lot of these are going to be coming exactly in the same packaging. As you can see here, 250 to 360 a piece, 100 pieces minimum order quantity. They're going to be coming in the exact same authentic packaging as the other ones, which allow people to sell them as, again, as authentic. Of course, I recommend highly against that. You can sell them at a lower price and people most of the time know what they're getting. But you can see, just contact the supplier. They're gonna have all of these styles. You can see the black ones, the blue ones, the pink ones. I mean, these are fun, useless toys that people love and love to collect. Kids love them, but you can see here, if we go back to this date, let's just say 1 year, apply that. You can see the total sales in 1 year versus the G-Pens at 50,000. We got 2.6 million, something like that. Keep that rolling. You'll be able to see which ones sell the best, of course. And if you haven't used this software before, this is called Terapeak. It's not completely necessary, but sometimes it helps you out. There'll be a link to that in the description for that below. I usually have like a 30-day free trial, so if you want to try out Terapeak, I highly recommend it. But you can see here, you have a variation style listing where it has all 6 colors at 809 sales at $19.90. And you can see here, $19.90, $13,000 in sales, no, $16,000 in sales at $19.90. We go over here, you can see $2.50, $3.60 a piece. You can get them in the low 2s, to be honest with you. Just ask around and just look through those. Now the last product I was talking about, which I highly do not recommend, but just want to show you guys what is possible in the counterfeit industry is massive, is the Bathmate X30. Now, as you guys know, I do sell in sexual wellness. Might be a little bit harder to find this, but again, my scout contacted me and was like, hey, we have one-to-one factory Bathmates, again, with all the stickers made in the UK, blah, 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 blah. They sell for $300, and I was getting them for like $10. So if you keep on going down here, you may be able to find that, but if you go ahead and check this out, that's the United Kingdom. You're gonna wanna find a Chinese supplier, United Kingdom. So if we just say hydro pump, pump. There's a lot of fakes. Hydro pump. Penis. Wonderful. You can see that one right there. That is a fake. It doesn't come with the stickers on it, but those stickers get added in really quick. This is the $300 style. You have all these things, $8 to $10 a piece, just as I stated. You go over here to eBay. You can see if you really quick in a Bathmate Hydromax X30 Extreme. That's what it is. You can see the sales, and if we go ahead and check out the sold items, these things sell like hotcakes. You can say May 9th, May 9th, May 9th, May 8th, May 8th, $171. Usually this means, I'm going to tell you right now, Playboy Mags, it's probably going to be a fake one, brand new, $171. A lot of people will sell them like that. Distribution Extreme. Most likely that this is a fake one that they're selling new and going ahead and putting it on auction. Now again, that's a little bit of an overview. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. Let me know if I should do a video on anything else. If this was interesting to you, please comment down below, subscribe, and share this video for more more content. But I'll see you guys once again. I'm out. Bye bye.